This video is co-powered by Seasons Salon, Guwahati. I'm such a mess.
अब मैं सही लग आ रही होंगी I guess so.
हेलो गाइस, आई होप यू आर डूइंग वेल एंड आज मेरे लिए एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट डे है बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू Four Seasons Salon in Guwahati. They have invited me to do my hair and makeup for my Sanya song. I think so by this time आप लोगों ने already video देख ली होगी and they have we are collaborating because they will do my hair and makeup today. थोड़ा नर्वस हूँ बिकॉज आई हैव नेवर डन लाइक दिस बिफोर बिकॉज हमेशा पहले मैं जो भी मेकअप है मैं खुद से करती थी एंड बस उतना ही होता था, जैसे कोलैबोरेशन नहीं होता था. बट दिस सॉन्ग हैज़ गॉट सो मेनी कोलैबोरेशंस. आई हैव डन कोलैब विद Akansha, Yadav here and now with Four Seasons Salon because they are doing my hair and makeup. So I'm going to meet new people and it's a new experience for me. तो थोड़ा सा nervous हूँ but I hope and I'm very sure it's going to be good. At the end of the day I'm going to learn something new.
I guess सही. Okay. अब मैं सही लग आ रही होंगी I guess so. Hi everyone. वैसे आप सब मुझे जानते ही होंगे क्योंकि आपने अभिनंदा की वीडियोस में मुझे देखा होगा. सो कोई बात नहीं, तब भी मैं अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस कर देती हूँ. हाय, मेरा नाम आकांक्षा है एंड मैंने अभी रिसेंटली कोलैबोरेट किया है अभिनंदा के साथ उसके वीडियो पे सैया. तो एक्चुअली मैं और अभिनंदा एक दूसरे को इंस्टाग्राम के थ्रू जानते हैं. वी आर इंस्टाग्राम फ्रेंड्स एक्चुअली. तो वी केम अक्रॉस विद ईच अदर एंड फिर हमारी बातचीत होने लग गई एंड शी इज़ सच अ गुड पर्सन. देन शी टेक्स्टेड me for the collaboration और I said okay why not, it's a good thing right. तो फिर हमने वीडियो बनाई एंड शी sang the song which is very beautiful. अभिनंदा you did a great job man, literally. and हमने collaborate किया. it was just all of the sudden right, वो कुछ प्लान नहीं. देन ये एंड अप बहुत अच्छा हो गया. आई होप यू गाइज लाइक इट, इन्जॉय किया हो आप सब ने. एंड thank you so much for loving us a lot and thank you so much Abhinanda for putting me on your YouTube channel. That is really grateful for me. Thank you and future में भी हम देखते हैं कि और सही वीडियोस बना सके आप लोग के लिए. Till then stay tuned and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to her channel and mine too अगर कर सकते हो. चलो bye.
So we are heading towards the salon now and I'm so grateful to Papa that he is dropping me there and yeah, too excited for it. So we are in our way and we have finally reached Four Seasons. I'll show you. So hey guys, I'm here today and she is Anu. She is the owner of Four Seasons and I'm so happy to be here and thank you so much for inviting me here. What's the specialty about this Four Seasons is that whenever we select any salon, we always look at three things basically. At least I and the generations near me, we think about three things. First is whether how is the quality of the work. Second is whether it is affordable or not. I looked into your website and it was each and everything was kept at quite affordable rates. And fourth is how comfortable you are to come here because once you come then you should feel like you should come again and again so that you have that feel. And they made me feel so good. And she's such a lovely lady, smiling always. I loved the ambience. It was filled with light and was spacious to maintain a distance. They kept it super clean.
So I will introduce you to my team. So she is Juna Begum. She's the one who is going to do your makeup. And she is Berlin.
Hi.
We call her Lynn and she's a beautician. She's like very experienced and she does things very beautifully. Okay. People are like, we have happy customers because of her. And she is Deborah.
Hello.
She helps Berlin and she helps me also. and he is Bhaskar. He's a hairdresser.
Hi. So what you like to say about your, how is Four Seasons unique and like what's your idea about this?
Okay, so we opened Four Seasons in the middle of COVID. We
Yeah.
wanted to open this salon because we wanted to create a hygiene, clean, and then friendly place where people can come, be friendly, and and like my main motive was like to listen to the customer. Without listening to the customer,
Yeah.
we don't know what the customer wants. Sometimes the customer are shy, sometimes they're like very extrovert, sometimes they're very introvert. Sometimes we don't know, unless we talk to the customers, we don't know what the customer wants.
Yeah.
So first, listening to the customer is very important. Secondly, customer satisfaction is all we want. If the customer is not satisfied, we are also not happy.
Yeah,
because-
guys, I would like
Yeah.
to mention in between one thing that when I started this collaboration, she, every day she used to ask me whether you want this, you want that. She made very sure that I was happy with what I want today, I want to give my hair or makeup, and I'm so excited to do it today.
Okay, and we created a theme-based salon. We're like very interested in comics, and it's one of a kind in Guwahati.
Yeah.
So we like created a theme-based salon, and so it's like friendly for the kids, friendly for the adults. So people come with their kids, small kids, and then they're like very busy reading the comics, and also the parents can get time and then do their makeup and grooming, and then like I see happy people. I want people when the people step out of my place, I want them to be happy, beautiful inside and out.
Yeah, you can see me smiling there. Hello, Reem. You are going to tell us about the beauty product.
For facial, we are using Raga, Oatly,
Yeah.
we also have Shenas, cherries.
Okay. And this is the separate room for like facial.
Yeah, facial only for ladies in this room.
Okay.
So আমি আমাৰ পাৰ্লাৰত মানে হেয়াৰ ষ্ট্ৰেইটনিং আৰু হেয়াৰ স্মুথনিং তাৰ কাৰণে চ'চ স্ক্ৰাবৰ ইউজ কৰোঁ
Okay.
ব্ৰেণ্ডৰ আৰু আমাৰ ইয়াতে আপোনাৰ চ'চ স্ক্ৰাবৰ স্পাও হ'ব প্লাছ আপোনাৰ হেয়াৰ ট্ৰিটমেণ্টছ আছে হেয়াৰ কণ্ডিশ্যনাৰ প্লাছ আপোনাৰ এইটো চাইডে আছে আমাৰ কালাৰ ছেকশ্যন কালাৰ আমি ইয়াত ইউজ কৰিছোঁ স্প্লিক্সৰ ফেশ্বন কালাৰ এইবিলাক
Okay.
আৰু আপোনাৰ ইয়াতে আছে ৰাস্কৰ আছে আপোনাৰ যেনেকৈ ইচ্ছা আৰু
নিজৰ চাই লওক ধুনীয়া বিউটি বিউটিফুল
দি থাকিলে ভাল লাগে তুমি মানে যোনটো আপুনি জানিব লাগে ফ্লেট হৈছে অলপ অকণমান ভলিউমিনাছ হ'লে ভাল লাগে
guys, so this is my final look. I hope you all like it. Yeah, I had amazing fun. Thanks again to the Four Seasons team, and she did my makeup. Thank you so much. And also I have given all their Instagram link, Facebook page link, website link in the description below, and also their Google map link. So if you're in Guwahati and watching this video, you can visit their salon. So guys, this is the look and we are done now. And now अब तो मुझे बहुत सारा काम भी बाकी है because I have to go home and shoot my video. So yeah, and thanks to Deota, my papa, for accompanying me and being such a caring father. So I won't continue it more because there will be sarcasm here now. Okay, चलो आज shoot करते हैं.
1 hour later.
This is how I shoot my
এবাৰ
videos.
perfect কে চাই কৈ দিয়া একদম ঠিকে আছে মই গিনি পজিচন কৈ থাকিম হাত চাপ পাতে এবাৰ ভালকে চাই কোৱা
ফাইনেল চাই পেলাই এবাৰ কৈ দিম
হাতখন তই দিয়া
মই এনেকৈ থাকিম
এইটো পজিশ্যন ঠিক এইটো ঠিক ইটোও নাথাকে সিটোও নাথাকে বঢ়িয়া লাগে
মই এটা বিউটিফুল গান শ্বুট কৰিছোঁ অভিয়াছলি এতিয়ালৈকেতো দেখিলে যেতিয়ালৈকে এই ব্লগটো ওলাইছে কিন্তু মোৰ ডাইৰেক্টৰ কোন জানে নাই চবেই মেকআপ কৰিছে কিবা কৰিছে চব লিভ অল ডেট মেইন ডাইৰেক্টৰ হিয়াৰ মা একদম কোনটো এংগলত ভাল লাগিছে চাব এইফালে লাইটিং পিছে থেংক ইউ ইমান কিউট হয় মোৰ মা অকণমান লাষ্ট দুটা শ্বট ল'ব আছে দেই লাষ্ট দুটা শ্বট আছে অকণমান ধৈৰ্য ধৰা দুটা শ্বট
Takes after takes, trials after trials. Many people think that I have a huge team shooting behind, but it's all me, and I really hope you like my videos.
more lighting photography lighting আৰু এনেকুৱা কষ্ট এটা গান কিমান হ'ব এইটো গান আছিলে লাইক ইটছ ফৰ 5 minutes but I went around at 10 o'clock to today 4 seasons of Guwahati and now it's ma কিমান হৈছে এটা বাজে 5টা বাজি গ'ল ন এটা 5টা বাজি গ'ল মা মানে approx 5 o'clock এতিয়া হৈ গৈছে so you can understand ki for if you want to shoot music videos na for just shooting a vlog it's okay it's easier but when you shoot a music video it's like full day jata hai especially if you want to do literally creative and bahut mehnat kiya jata hai and but anyways I'm grateful to God ki I get this opportunity to do mehnat ke piche finally when I see the output it's very satisfying and that satisfaction is much more than any salary I think so yeah and if I get the love from you and that's more than enough. Now shoot is over and it is chai break. Chai. So I am finally done for the day and yeah बहुत थकान हो रही है फिलहाल but I hope you enjoyed this vlog and so thanks to Akansha and 4 Seasons Salon पूरा दिन बहुत अच्छा गया I enjoyed visiting 4 Seasons Salon in Guwahati and they have been so kind to do this wonderful hairstyle and a unique hairstyle to me. I'm so grateful to them guys. Please go and pay a visit. I have given all their social media accounts and their Google Map link. Please go and check it out and also if you visit the salon you go and use the code ABHI10 you will get a 10% discount on anything like from anything you want to do so please go and check it out and see you then in my next video. A lot of stuff and lots of new vlogs are gonna come up. You are surely gonna enjoy. Do leave a like. बहुत मेहनत की है and अगर पहली बार देख रहे हो तो please subscribe कर दो. It will help me to grow and I'll try to bring more and more good content for you and see you then in my next video. Bye bye.